In my last video, I showed you how I made $500 in 30 days using ChatGPT. But here's the thing. That was just one method. One way to make money with AI. Today, I'm going to break down the 7 best AI side hustles you can start right now in 2026, and I'm ranking them by how much you can actually make. No fluff, no fake income screenshots. Just real numbers based on what people are charging right now. Let's get into it. Starting at number 7. AI-powered social media management. Income potential? $300 to $800 per month. Here's why this works. Every small business needs social media content. Coffee shops, gyms, real estate agents, local boutiques. They all know they should be posting on Instagram and Facebook, but most of them hate doing it. And that's where you come in. You don't need to be a marketing genius. You just need ChatGPT. You can use it to write captions, come up with post ideas, and plan out an entire month of content in under an hour. Your job is simple. Find local businesses that aren't posting consistently. Offer to manage their social media for $300 a month. Use AI to create the content. Schedule it. Done. Is it passive income? But it's steady, and clients pay you every single month. Number 6. Freelance writing with AI. Income potential? $500 to $2,000 per month. This is exactly what I did to make my first $500, and I broke it down step by step in my last video. Blog posts, website copy, email newsletters. Businesses need this stuff constantly. Here's the process. You find a client on Upwork or Fiverr. They give you a topic. You use ChatGPT to generate a solid first draft in about 10 minutes. Then you spend another 20 to 30 minutes editing it, adding personality, making sure it actually sounds human. Total time per project? About an hour. Pay per project? $50 to $100, sometimes more. Do the math. 1 hour of work, $50 to $100 in your pocket. The more projects you complete, the faster you get. And the faster you get, the more money you make. It's not complicated. It's just consistent work. Number 5. AI video editing and captions. Income potential? $800 to $2,500 per month. Content creators and businesses are pumping out video content every single day. YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram Reels, ads. And most of them don't have time to edit. That's where you step in. Tools like Descript, Opus Clip, and CapCut use AI to auto-generate captions, remove silences, and even cut long videos into short viral clips. You don't need to be a professional editor. You just need to know how to use the software. And honestly, you can learn the basics in a weekend. Charge $50 to $150 per video depending on the length and complexity. Edit 2 to 3 videos a day, and you're making $800 to $2,500 a month easily. Number 4. AI graphic design for small businesses. Income potential? $1,000 to $3,000 per month. You don't need Photoshop skills anymore. Tools like Canva AI, Midjourney, and Adobe Firefly let you create professional-looking logos, flyers, social media graphics, and ads in minutes. Small businesses need design work constantly. Restaurant menus, event flyers, Instagram posts, Facebook ads, business cards, and most of them can't afford to hire a full-time designer, so they hire freelancers. That could be you. Charge $30 to $100 per design depending on what it is. If you do 10 to 20 designs a month, you're easily clearing $1,000. And the best part? Each design takes you 15 to 30 minutes with AI doing most of the work. Number 3. AI-assisted virtual assistant services. Income potential? $1,500 to $4,000 per month. Entrepreneurs, executives, and busy professionals need help with admin work. Emails, scheduling, data entry, organization. But here's the secret most people don't know. AI can do the majority of that work for you. ChatGPT can draft professional emails. Notion AI can organize notes and tasks. Zapier can automate repetitive workflows. Your job is to become the middleman. The business hires you as their virtual assistant. You use AI tools to handle the grunt work. You deliver polished, professional results. They think you're amazing. You charge $20 to $40 per hour. Work 10 to 20 hours a week, and you're pulling in $1,500 to $4,000 a month. And because AI is doing the heavy lifting, you can serve multiple clients at once. Number 2. AI content creation for YouTube and TikTok. Income potential? $2,000 to $10,000 or more per month. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now. Finance channels, motivational content, tech reviews, educational explainer videos. And a huge percentage of them are using AI for everything. Scripts written by ChatGPT. Voiceovers generated by 11 Labs. Videos edited in CapCut or in video. You never have to show your face. You never have to speak on camera. You just create valuable content and let the algorithm do its thing. How do you make money? YouTube ad revenue once you hit monetization. Sponsorships from brands. Affiliate marketing. Selling digital products. This one takes longer to build than the others. You're not going to make money in week 1. But once you hit momentum, this can replace a full-time income. I've seen channels go from $0 to $5,000 a month in 6 months. It's possible. It just takes consistency. And finally, number 1. AI automation and consulting for businesses. Income potential? $3,000 to $15,000 or more per month. This is where the real money is. Right now, every business knows they need to use AI. But most of them have no idea where to start. If you can show them how to automate repetitive tasks, save time, or cut costs using AI, they will pay you serious money. What does this look like? Setting up AI chatbots for customer service. Automating email workflows with tools like Zapier or Make. Building lead generation systems powered by ChatGPT. Helping them integrate AI into their existing processes. You don't need to be a software engineer. You don't need to write code. You just need to understand how these tools work and how to apply them to real business problems. Charge $1,000 to $5,000 per project. Complete 3 to 5 projects a month, and you're making $3,000 to $15,000. And the best part? Businesses will come back to you again and again because once they see results, they want more. So there you have it. The 7 best AI side hustles in 2026, ranked by income potential. Number 7, social media management, $300 to $800. Number 6, freelance writing, $500 to $2,000. Number 5, video editing, $800 to $2,500. Number 4, graphic design, $1,000 to $3,000. Number 3, virtual assistant services, $1,500 to $4,000. Number 2, content creation, $2,000 to $10,000. And number 1, AI automation consulting, $3,000 to $15,000 or more. Pick one. Start today. Let AI do the heavy lifting. And if this video helped you, subscribe to Smart Money AI because next week I'm breaking down exactly how to set up your first AI automation project step by step. See you there.